In the depths of a dense forest, where ancient trees touched the sky, lived a diverse group of animals. There was the Lion King, powerful and majestic, ruling his kingdom with wisdom and justice. By his side was his lioness, his companion and mother of his cubs. At the heart of the forest lived the cunning fox, with a long tail and playful slyness. He slipped between the trees, searching for food, using his intelligence to trick the other animals. In the green plains, the graceful gazelle grazed, her jumps as light as the breeze, her eyes scanning for danger. And in the treetops, the squirrel built its home, gathering nuts to prepare for winter. And there lived the fearful rabbit, hiding in his burrow, frightened of everything. And the wise owl flew, its eyes watching the darkness, searching for prey. Thus, all these animals lived together in harmony and balance. Each had its role and place in this enchanted forest. One day, a great commotion occurred in the forest. The giant bear had arrived, enormous and frightening, searching for food. The animals were afraid of the bear and didn't know what to do. But the Lion King, with his usual courage, stood before the bear and challenged it with a loud voice. After a fierce battle, the lion managed to defeat the bear and drive it out of the forest. The animals were very happy with the courage of their king, and life returned to normal in the forest. And from that day on, the animals learned that cooperation and courage are the secrets to living in peace and safety. Over time, the animals faced many other challenges, such as droughts, fires, and predator attacks. But each time, they banded together and found smart solutions to overcome the difficulties. Thus, the animals of the forest lived wonderful stories and adventures, full of teachings and lessons. And they learned that friendship and cooperation are the most powerful weapons to face any danger.